Hi, this is Ian with Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions. Today we are going to be looking at the G4 2000 PM kit number 2. First thing this comes with is a cassette seal and lube kit. There are instructions located with the seal and lube kit. However, there is a video link on our website for proper installation. Proper installation is important to ensure there are no leaks. The next thing is a biofilter, which is located on the back of the unit, along with the compressor filter. And the last thing is the check valve. The check valve is important because this ensures no water gets into your compressor. If water gets into your compressor, it can ruin your compressor and it will need replaced. There's a video link located on our website on how to properly remove the cover of your G4 2000. If you have any issues, please give us a call, 704-966-1650. Option 3 for tech support. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.